if we're going to restore confidence in our country as an investment destination, we need to have more clarity and certainty on our regulatory process.
The attitude and relationship between the mining industry and government has to change from control to enabling.
It's essential that sensitive areas that need to be quarantined to ensure that exploration as investment is confined to where mining can take place.
What you want is a relationship where there's facilitation and enablement as you move down a track.
Once we get some kind of regulatory certainty and we get that confidence back into the investments we want to make in the country, there's huge support for these projects, because those who are following the coke and coal and the commodity market generally and the coke and coal market and have an understanding of the fundamentals know that it's a very valuable product, and they know that this Makata and the Mine Stewart are potentially world-class assets that are going to produce massive, significant returns for everybody. And so that's what's exciting about it. And I think the biggest negative I get when I've been interacting with our investment basin is this lack of clarity and where we're going forward. Once we can get that confidence back, we'll certainly be able to raise whatever we need to raise to bring these mines, and they're going to be expensive mines. This first phase is only going to produce 2 or 3 million tonnes. It's going to cost somewhere around $400+ million to build. So they're expensive mines, they're going to need capital, and we're going to need to raise it, a lot of that coming from offshore. When you look at what the previous commodity boom has created for us, for the world, there's been massive economic value for countries. I was involved in the Australian coke and coal industry. My gosh, the wealth that's created. China's, I think, created value of about 20-odd billion. We created nothing. And this is the mining country, so we cannot afford to miss the next boom. Over 50% of our forex is coming from mining. Vele has caught everybody by surprise. It was a sensitive area. It's caught government. It caught company. And we certainly paid the price from a public relations perspective. We need to find that balance between fulfilling that economic growth and protecting the areas that we need to protect in the country so that everyone wins.
We have this new, more focused vision. We got it yesterday from Pravin Gordon, the need for growth, the need for jobs. Against that background, do you think you'll be able to persuade South Africa that it's in their interests to go ahead with this mine, and that you can mitigate to make sure that there is no damage on the tourism side?
There's some fantastic rehabilitation practices in this country. This is a company that's not a fly-by-night. It's listing in the main London exchange, and we're going to be committed to the high standards.